Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell PhonePe Gold. First, open your PhonePe app and locate the Wealth section at the bottom. From there, tap on the gold icon to access your digital gold locker. This is where you can see your current gold holdings and its real-time value. It's a straightforward process to begin managing your investments. Once inside your gold locker, you will find the Sell Gold option. Tap on this to proceed. You can then choose to sell a specific amount of gold, either by entering the weight in grams or the value in Indian rupees. The app will show you the live selling price, which updates frequently, ensuring transparency for your transaction. Before finalizing, carefully review all the selling details presented on your screen. Double-check the gold quantity and the total amount you will receive. Ensure your linked bank account details are correct, as the funds will be credited there. After confirming everything, simply tap the Sell button to complete your transaction securely. After a successful sale, the funds are usually credited to your registered bank account within a few minutes, though it can sometimes take up to 24 hours. Be aware that a small transaction fee, typically around 3%, might be deducted. Always check the current market price of gold before selling to maximize your returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.